A major court ruling has rocked Washington. Federal Judge Gia Cobb temporarily blocked President Trump from firing Fed Governor Lisa Cook on Tuesday. This marks the first time in Fed history a president has tried to remove a sitting governor. The judge called Trump's firing attempt likely illegal. She ruled that Cook must be immediately reinstated to her position. The decision gives Cook a significant legal victory, at least for now. Trump announced Cook's firing in August through a social media post. He claimed she committed mortgage fraud before joining the Fed. The allegations came from Bill Pulte, Trump's appointee at the Federal Housing Finance Agency. According to the claims, Cook listed 2 different homes as primary residence on mortgage applications in 2021. This was before she joined the Federal Reserve Board. Cook has strongly denied any wrongdoing. The Justice Department has opened a criminal investigation into these allegations. Grand jury subpoenas have been issued in Georgia and Michigan. Judge Cobb made several important rulings. She found that federal law only allows Fed governors to be fired for cause, but this cause must relate to conduct while serving on the Fed board. The mortgage fraud allegations all happened before Cook joined the Fed in 2022. The judge ruled this timing matters legally. She said governors can only be removed for behavior in office. The judge also found Trump violated Cook's due process rights. Instead of formal notice, Trump announced the firing through social media posts. Cook had no chance to respond to the allegations. This legal battle has huge implications. If Trump gains control of the Fed board, his appointees would hold 4 of 7 seats. This would give him unprecedented influence over interest rate decisions. The Fed currently keeps rates at about 4.3%. Trump wants rates cut to as low as 1.3%. He believes lower rates will stimulate economic growth and reduce government debt payments. Economists worry about political interference in Fed decisions. Central bank independence is seen as crucial for fighting inflation. Many fear Trump's actions could damage the dollar status as the world's reserve currency. Lisa Cook made history as the first black woman to serve as a Fed governor. She was confirmed by the Senate in 2022. Her team was supposed to run until 2038. Cook filed a lawsuit challenging her firing. Her lawyer Abe Lowell called this allegation unsubstantiated and vague. He argued they endanger the stability of a financial system. The case is expected to reach the Supreme Court quickly. The White House plans to appeal the ruling immediately. Trump's team called the firing lawful and said it improves Fed accountability. Cook can participate in the Fed rate setting meeting next week. The central bank is expected to cut rates in response to weakening job market. The Trump administration argues the president has broad authority to remove Fed governors. They claim courts have no role in reviewing such decisions. Trump has repeatedly attacked Fed Chair Jerome Powell. He has threatened to fire Powell as well, though legal experts say Powell has more protection. Trump nominated Stephen Miran to fill another Fed vacancy. Miran supports Trump's call for lower rates. Some analysts see his appointment as an existential threat to Fed independence. Republican senators like Tom Tillis want Cook case resolved before confirming any replacement. The GOP-controlled Senate would need to approve any new nominees. Financial markets have shown concern about Fed independence. Bond yields rose and stock futures fell when Trump first announced Cook's firing. The dollar weakened against major currencies. Economists warn the political control of the Fed could lead to higher inflation. Over time, this might actually increase borrowing costs for mortgages and business loans. The Fed's independence has been a cornerstone of economic stability for decades. Many experts see Trump's action as the biggest threat to this independence in modern history. The legal battles represents uncharted territory for American monetary policy. The outcome could fundamentally reshape the relationship between the White House and the nation's central bank.